All right, I'm going to show you how to format a 128 gigabyte SanDisk Ultra micro SD card in your GoPro Hero 10 Black. First thing, I'm going to show you where the card's located at. So we're going to take the camera, go to the side that says GoPro with the front-facing screen, and turn it to the side. And you're going to see a little lip here. You're going to push against it with your thumb. It pops open, pull it, bam. The card fits right in there. I've already got it in there, so I'm just going to push on it. It pops up. Now there's a little lip on it that you can grab with your thumbnail to pull it out. And when you do, notice the attitude of the card. So it goes in that way, right? If I flip it over and I flip the camera over, you're going to see that the gold goes in first and it faces the front of the camera. So let's go ahead and see if we can find that little hole there. We'll put it back in there, and we've got to take our thumb and kind of squish it in. Once it's in, we're good. We bring this like that. We bring it down, and all we have to do is really squeeze it and just pop it on there, and it should be good. Now when we go to the side that says 10 Black, we're going to press this button to turn on. When it comes on, it's going to tell me that the card is not, that it doesn't like the card. So you see right there it says upgrade your SD card. Well, that's good. All we got to do is hit OK, and we can get to our main screen. Now once you're at the main screen, you're going to go to the top, and you're just going to sweep down. It's going to give you this page. This is the page we don't want. We want to go one page over. We're going to go to the right to the left, and we're going to go to Preferences. We're going to click Preferences. Then we're going to go all the way. This is very touchy. So then we click Preferences, and once we get to Preferences, we're going to slide down to the bottom where it says Reset. We're going to click that, and it's going to give us Format SD card. We're just going to hit that. And it's going to ask us again if we want to format it, because you will delete all of your files that are on that card. And it doesn't matter because I can't read them anyway, so I've got to format it. I'm going to hit it. It's going to format it. Now this screen is really touchy, so once it's formatted and you want to get back to your regular screen, you got to come up here to this arrow and touch it. And hopefully it takes you there, but look, it brought me down to the bottom, so I got to do it again. And now we're at the screen we want to be at. Once we get to this screen, we go to the bottom and push it out of the way. Bam, Bob's your uncle. There you are. You got a formatted card, and you're ready to do some video with your GoPro Hero 10 Black. Push out.